In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a full-screen TikTok video in CapCut. TikTok's vertical format is key to grabbing attention and ensuring your content stands out. So getting the right dimensions and layout for your videos is essential. Whether you're new to video editing or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through every step you need to create perfectly formatted, full-screen videos that look professional and polished. And if you're not already using CapCut, it's a free and easy-to-use video editing app that's perfect for TikTok creators. If you don't have it yet, check out the link in the description to download and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open up CapCut and create a new project. This is the starting point for editing your TikTok video. Once your new project is created, the next step is to import the video clip you want to edit. This ensures you're working with the footage you want to format for TikTok. Simply select your clip from your device's library, and it'll appear in your timeline, ready for editing. Now here's an important step. Click anywhere on the background or an empty space to deselect the video clip. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a helpful trick to make sure you don't accidentally edit the clip while you're trying to access layout tools. It's a quick but important step to keep things running smoothly. Next, locate the ratio button in the toolbar. In most versions of CapCut, you'll find this button in the bottom right corner of the preview window. Once you've found it, select the 9:16 ratio option. This is the standard vertical format for TikTok videos and ensures your video will fill the entire screen when it's viewed on the app. It's a key step to making your content look professional. Once you've set the correct ratio, click back on your video clip in the timeline to select it. This allows you to adjust how the video fits within the new vertical frame. Drag the corner handles in the preview window to scale your video. The goal here is to fill the entire 9:16 frame without leaving any black bars. Depending on the original dimensions of your video, you might need to crop out parts of the sides to make it fit perfectly. So don't worry if this takes a bit of trial and error. It's all about making the video look as seamless as possible. If you find that dragging the corners feels a bit imprecise, you can use the scale setting in the basic video properties panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This option gives you a slider for finer adjustments, letting you zoom in or out until the frame is perfectly filled. It's a great tool for making small, accurate changes. Now, if your video still doesn't completely fit the frame, you can uncheck the Uniform Scale option in the Video Properties panel. This allows you to adjust the width and height independently, so you can fill the frame without leaving any empty spaces. Just keep in mind that this can distort your video if you push it too far. So use this option carefully and only when absolutely necessary. Once your video looks just the way you want it, it's time to export it. Click the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up your export settings. Before finalizing, double-check your resolution and format settings. For TikTok, you'll want to make sure the video is in high quality, so it looks sharp and professional when uploaded. Take a moment to confirm everything is correct before proceeding. Now, sit back and wait for the export process to complete. Depending on the length of your video, this might take a minute or two. Once it's done, your full-screen TikTok video is ready to go. And that's it! Now you know exactly how to format your video to fit TikTok's vertical layout using CapCut. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.